Absolutely. And speaking of, this weather is perfect for holiday lights. We love the look, but, hate the process, right? Number one, the tangles. Oh, gets us every time. The ladder, safety issue. And that one bulb that's always burnt out, right? And you got to find it. It reminds me of Christmas Vacation.
Yes.
Well, we've got some help and ideas for you.
We do. Mel Camp is in Cyprus finding out how the pros at ABC Home and Commercial Services train for the holiday season, and she's got a deal on installation for our Houston Life viewers.
Oh yes, Courtney and Derek, look at that. We are doing some serious training here for holiday light installations, because it is that time of the year for ABC Home and Commercial Services. Raleigh, it's serious business.
We're getting geared up. I mean, first of all, getting on that roof, that's scary.
Yeah.
I mean, the number of falls that happen annually, especially around Christmas time, is huge.
Just because you've got a ladder doesn't mean you should use it and get up and do your own lights.
Or you've got just the skill sets to do it. These guys are on the roof year-round, whether they're working on Christmas lights or we're doing live animal trapping. They're working up on that roof, and they're really skilled at what they're doing right now.
That's what I love, because these guys are part of the team that year-round are doing the live animal trapping, making sure you don't have those pests in your roof. So they're used to being up on a roof, and then this time of year, they do this training and they learn how to make your house beautiful.
Make it beautiful for the season so we can beat the neighbors. But the big part of that also is the electrical part. So they're training also on how to do the electrical right, and how do we connect these things, and how do we don't overload your circuits. So, and that's real important. One is not burning down the house, and the other is making sure that we're not popping breakers all the time. So what they do in this training that's going on right now is so relevant for you having a great Christmas season.
Oh, it's so awesome. And you guys get super busy once Christmas, once we get close to Christmas.
It flows. So it's real easy in October, November, but then right after Thanksgiving, the rush is on and everybody wants them right now. So try to get that decision made, get that estimate as soon as you can, and then let's get that first installation, because we've got discounts that we give you based on what time of year you do it. So if you put them on at November, after Thanksgiving until around the first week of December, it gets a little bit more expensive. So plan ahead, let's get ready for it, and let's go from there. But what you see are these guys that also do rodent work. I mean,
yes, okay, which is what this is for. Check this out. That's a trap.
Live animal trap. I mean, the idea is that we catch the animal in here, and then we go release them in a proper location so they're not in your attic anymore. But, all those animals running around the yard during the summertime, well, they move up and into the attic during the winter. And so when you go get your Christmas decorations out, you'll see the droppings, you'll see the trails. So that's when you want to get that exclusion done. So if you're hearing the trumpet around, or if you're seeing the droppings in there, call us, and we'll come out there. We'll not only trap the animal out, but we'll seal the house so they can't get back in again.
And decorate the house as well. I like that it's the same team that get rid of the rodents who will also decorate your home. And they really are doing an amazing job. You guys having fun up there?
Oh yeah, we love it.
I think it would be scary.
Yes, it is scary. It'll get your attention.
Oh my gosh, amazing. So Riley, you do have a deal for Houston Life viewers today. If they get in early and get their lights up, when's the cutoff date?
The cutoff is November 7th, that if they get that call made and get the estimate in and get them installed on time, they can get great discounts at that point.
Okay, that's awesome. What sort of discounts are we looking at?
15%.
Okay.
Yeah, which is a big number when you're talking about doing Christmas light installs.
Yeah, because I mean, it can be really big jobs, but you want to make sure you beat the neighbors.
Yes.
So you guys are the ones that can help people do that for sure.
Let us take those risks. You enjoy Christmas.
Oh, I love it so much. And we'll let these guys get back to training. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Courtney and Derek, would you go up there? I certainly wouldn't.
No. We would, after my neighbor fell off the ladder and was very injured, no. And actually, full disclosure, we use them for our holiday lights as well.
We got to book that install.
We do. And by the way, like Mel said, 15% off if you sign up by November 7th. Just go to abchomeandcommercial.com/Houston, or you can call 281-343-3501. And again, as a customer, I can say they do such a fantastic job.
They do. And the people that work and install there at your home, so nice and just perfect.
Yeah, every light is perfectly in place.
Perfectly spaced. All right, still ahead.